The Vanagon horn went out, so pulled the steering wheel horn switch to check for continuity, and it was okay there. So that meant the horn definitely was bad. Best deal on horns is Harbor Freight. With 25% off, it comes to $7.49, and you actually get a relay too. There's the old German horn with the kind of European style sound, and there's the American style horns, which we're going to fit in the place where there was one horn before underneath the passenger side bumper. Okay, I've got the horns in now, but we need to do some rewiring. There's the two connectors that went to the old horn. So now the connectors are all done, soldered, and additional wires, and in place. So there's the finished job. It's arranged so that any water that comes in will drain out of those snail type horns. And we are going to test it and see how it is. Pretty loud. Success!